Yeah. So here we go. So this is the time series. Here we go. Here is the time series forecasting method. From the name itself, time series forecasting method. What does this method depends upon? The method depends upon that the end of the week, look at this, look at this. The end of each week is the start of the next week. Again, so let's say in a hospital, there are 84 patients this week. Then I believe that the next week, the end of the first week, 84, then the start of the next week will be 84. So that's why we say time series forecast. But this way of forecasting, it depends only on a very short period of time. You cannot forecast more than 1 week in advance, or 1 month in advance, or 1 year. If you have the data of 1 year, you cannot, because you just only moving one step ahead. Okay, so let's complete this schedule and see what's going on. The next week is 81, then it will be the start of the third week. We will move it. So if we did 84, it will go to the next week to be the start of the next week. 81, huh? We'll go 81. Okay, 89 here, the end of the third week is 89. Then you expect that the start of the next week or the fourth week will be 89, which stopped in the, okay, how about this 90? Look at this, 90 came here, the same thing. 99, 99, 106, 106, 127, 127. Okay, here is 117 for week number 8. Can you give me the number of the patients estimated or forecasted for the week number 9? I have only till week 8. But can I get 9? Yes, I can get 9 because it is the people of 8, 117. I will move it here. So if I give you as example, let me now stop share and give you an example like this. I told you I want the time series forecast, and I gave you a chain of 3 years, a chain of 3 years like this. Okay, this is year one, this is year two, this is year three. And I asked you for the year number 4. Then I asked you for the year of number 4. What is the year of number 4 would looks like? Okay, here and here. So year number 1, numbers which I have is 100, 110, 130. Okay, and I asked you here, this is would say here 140. Okay, and I asked you for year number 5. I hope that it can come here. Let us extend it just a little bit. Of course, and I told you just complete for me this schedule. Complete for me this schedule. Okay, this is, I don't have the previously of it, but this will be 100. This will be 110. We will move like this. This will be 130. Then the required year, which is year number 5, I put question tags here. I will take the 140 of year number 4, and that's it. And that is the first example. So that is the way, if you got it in the exam, either vertical or horizontal, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if it is vertical, if I gave you this data in a vertical, or if I give it to you horizontal, it doesn't matter, as long as you know how the way to use it and you know how to get the results like this. I'll share back the screen. Like you see here, the number of patients for the period is the number of patients for the next period, and etc. That's how it works. Okay, this we call it time series forecasting method. And we call it particularly last period forecasting. Last period forecasting. So if I told you estimate by the last period forecasting, then you will do it through the last period forecasting with this method only. And don't expect that I will ask you for a last period forecasting more than one period, because it's like it's the end of something at the start of another thing. Okay, the end the way to your door, your house door, is the start of the road, because you open then you go to the road, right? That's the way. So end of something is the start of the new phase, and this is the idea of it. Okay, let's move on now to another step or another example, and we will go to slide number 17. Whatever I skip here, you also skip. You also skip. So you will tell me now, oh, what is this? This we call it 2 period and 4 period moving average, and we can use 3 period moving average, and we can use 5 periods moving average. And what do we mean by the moving average? If he tell you 2 periods moving average, you will collect each two numbers and and you will divide them by two, then put them in the following. I will give you an example, and it will be complicated like this in your assignments. I will give it to you very easy one, but I will explain to you all of it so you can all guys do it. In 2 periods numbers as example here, as you see here, this is the patient, the number of patients in the first week. And this is the numbers of patients in the second week. Okay. So what I will do is, let us say here it was unknown. It was unknown. How will I get this number? How will I get this number back? Very easy way to get it. So based on 2 periods forecasting, based on 2 periods forecasting, I will add 84 and 81 and divide them, because I said 2 periods. So I will add them and divide them by 2. So let's say in a white page here, let me say here as example, 81 plus 84, then those together divided by both of them. If we say they are a sum like this way, then I will divide them by 2 equals, this will give me 81, and 84 divided by 2 will give me 165 divided by 2 will give me 82 and a half. Let's go and see the result. Was it like this way? Let's see. Let's see back. Let's see back. Was it like this way? I will go back to where I was. Yes, it was 82 and a half. Okay, let's go for the next one. Can you do the next one? This 85. Can you show me how we get the 85? Can you show me how we get the 85? Okay. What I will collect together, what I will do here. So I want you to do it with your hands. I want you to give me this number here based on 2 periods moving average. Okay? Based on 2 periods moving average. Yeah, someone said we'll take the next number from up and the last one. And so there are two numbers. I won't take the 84 this time. I will start from 81. 81 and 89, this is 170. Let's see. Let's calculate it. I will take 81 plus 89. Okay, see here. 81 plus 89 equals 170. Then I divide it by 2, because I said I'm using 2 moving average. Okay, so it will give me 85. And this is the answer. It was already 85. Let us see. Let us see. Yes, it was already 85. Come on, see, come on, watch it. We'll see it back, how it was. When I return it back, 85. That's how it is. Okay, why don't you show me the 89 and a half? This one. Can you do it with your hand? I want you to do it with your hand. Okay. So you will start the previous two numbers before the one which is parallel to what you want. Okay. So the two previous numbers of this line is this and this, 89 and 90. Okay. Let us see 89 plus 90. Let us see 89 plus 90 will equals 89 179. Okay, divide by 2 will equals, let us see by the calculator, 179 divided by 2 equals 89 and a half. So this will equals 89 and a half. Okay, now will see together the 89 and a half. Was it like this? Was it like this? I will return it back the way it was. Yes, it is 89 and a half. And etc. till the end of the two periods moving average forecast. You will take the previously two periods before the one parallel to what you want. As example, I want this is unknown now, okay? This is unknown. So I will take not this 99, the one before it and the one period. Because why two numbers? Because I said two periods. Okay, so I will take the 90 and I will take the 89, add them together, then divide them by 2. Divide them by the number 2. So it will give me the estimation which I want, which is 89 and a half. Okay, someone will tell me, how about the four periods? The four periods moving average. How can you do this? How can you do this? Okay, it's the same idea. It's the same idea. Like, but instead of dividing by 2, like here we divide by 2, we will divide here by 4. Why? Because he said 4 periods. Okay, let's do the first example, which is 86. The 86. I will say from where this 86. Okay, then I will move on like this to the numbers here. I will not take 99, but I will take 1, 2, 3, 4. 84 plus 81 plus 89 plus 90. Then I will divide them by 4. Let's go and see this. We'll see the calculator here and we'll go ahead. 84. Okay, here is the calculator. 84 plus, let's see, plus the second number is 81. Control and V. 81 plus 89. Control and C and go to 89 here. Plus the last number is 90. Control and C and go here. 90. Control and V. This will equal 344. We'll divide this time because it is 4 periods. So I will divide by 4. Divide by 4. Then what is the number 86? Let me return back to check out what was here. Okay, let me check out what was here. Exactly, it was 86. So these are the forecasting, time forecasting periods for one period, and we're using the moving averages for 2 periods and for 4 periods. So this is the way how it works. Let's see as example now. Okay, how about the 89? Same thing. You won't take this year, the year before it, and you will start moving from the 4 years prior to the year which you want 90, 98, 80, like this way. So here I want this one. So I will take 99 plus 90 plus 89 plus 81. Those are four. Enough. Enough. Then I will divide them by 4. It will give me this number. And you can make this as a homework for yourself, not for me, just for yourself. You can do it for yourself. Okay. So this is the time series in these points. So now here, a new way of methods, a new method